everyone. कैसे हैं सब? So today it's an unboxing. It's an Amazon unboxing, and I'm really excited. So before we just get into it, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and if you like it, don't forget to share it. Let's go. Okay, and let me open it. So it's basically a cleaning device. इसके bristles हैं. And those small nooks and corners which we cannot reach, you can just clean that with this and put it in this और हो जाता है साफ. जैसे मेरा sliding door है, you can see यहाँ पे. So इसका जो वो channel होता है उसमें कई बार you have dust. It's very handy for that. And other places around the house you can use it. I'll insert a clip here so that you can see. And मुझे लगा it's very useful. है तो छोटी सी चीज़ पर काम बड़े आएगी. So Amazon में ऐसी बड़ी अतरंगी चीजें मिल जाती हैं. So next up is again one product which I have to open because मुझे instantly use करने का मन था उसे. So it has a suction behind it. You can just put it on the sink's corner. और इसमें आप अपना liquid soap यहाँ पे dish cleaner और वो जो Scotch Brite type का कुछ भी यहाँ पे रख के, and when the cleaning lady comes she can use it and put it back. Otherwise they just put it anywhere and it doesn't look nice. So as I have shared earlier, I am a OCD, तो मुझे हर चीज़ बड़े कायदे से अच्छी लगती है. So that's how it works. It's fixed in the corner very nicely और it looks very nice. So color भी मुझे अच्छा लगा. So it's a very nice thing. And next thing is this mic, so that I can connect with you guys better. I've ordered this from online. और ज़्यादा expensive नहीं है. I think around 500-600. And I have observed कि मेरे पहले वीडियो से अब वीडियो का जो voice quality is little bit improved. Let me know. Otherwise मैं इससे better कुछ लूँगी. So next up is this big bag. Let us see what is in it. Okay. So it's basically a storage thing. Let me open it. It's by Kuber. It's an Indian brand. I was a little mindful कि I buy everything which is made in India mostly. This is what it looks like. Yeah. And you can just store your things in this. Any clothing that you're not using, or maybe some paperwork which you're not using, you want to put it away. So you just put them in this, like those woolen clothing that you're not using currently. So it's a very nice way to store everything. Although I have another bag which I'll share in another video. इसमें clear है तो पता भी चल जाता है कि क्या आप use कर सकते हैं. And these are 3 sizes. तो इसमें 3 लिखे हैं and there are different colors. But I thought black was the safest. सबके साथ चल जाता है. Is this. So let me rip it open. This is set that you can place. It's a mat, whole mat you can place in your fridge or maybe your cupboards to line them. ऐसे तो कुछ भी spill हो जाता है ना तो whole cupboard gets dirty. And if you place something which is similar in color in the whole wardrobe or maybe in your fridge, then it looks more aesthetically pleasing. So and ये fabric नहीं है, ये wipe हो जाएगा आराम से. So see, the width is I think the width is good enough for the kitchen and for the fridge area. तो इसलिए मैंने इसको ऑर्डर किया और आराम से इसको आप अपने साइज के अकॉर्डिंग कट करके प्लेस कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स अ वेरी नाइस थिंग और मुझे ये पटी है तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. दिस बैग, it has a very handy product. Yeah. So you know it's monsoon और मॉनसून में जो भी हमारे सीवरेज है या जो भी पाइप्स वगैरह होते हैं terrace pe, they get clogged at times. For that I got this. I'm getting some construction work done at my place, so वैसे भी बहुत गंदा हो जाता है. So looks like really nice. You just have to put it in that drainage ऐसे, और ऐसे इसके ऊपर एक ये बटन है. You just put it inside, push this button inside, and when you think थोड़ा सा heavy लग रहा है, push it up, pull it in, बाहर निकालेंगे ना तो इसमें it will just collect all the grime and जो भी अगर कुछ उसके अंदर कचरा होगा वो सारा इकट्ठा कर लेगा, and you'll have a clean drainage. So this, let's see what is in this. So these are the storage boxes which you can place in your drawers. So like so. See, you just have to zip it from behind. Voila! बस इसमें आप अपना कुछ भी undergarments या socks या कुछ भी ऐसे layer करके you can put so that it looks neat. And my son really likes blue color, so I've ordered blue color for him so that he has all his things lined up properly. उसके कई छोटे छोटे toys होते हैं ना, so you can use it for that also. And see, there are so many in these. You can place any size of article in this according to your requirement, and they have really very many options. This is the one I chose, but काफी सारे options हैं still. And that's about it. Other thing that I got is this box. Let us see what's in this box. So it's a heavy article. ये stainless steel का है, और this I've got for my under the sink area. So I just have to place it under my sink. I can place things over it and under it also. तो जैसे कई जगह होता है ना, you don't have drawers because वो एक पाइप आता है सिंक के नीचे से because of your wash basin. So for that I thought this I can place like this, and I can place all my articles on it. Or maybe you can use it in your kitchen also, and it's quite sturdy. अच्छा खासा heavy है, and the color is white. It can go anywhere. और कई सारे options थे, but मुझे लगा ऐसा sturdy option आपको लेना चाहिए. वो flimsy से होते हैं, steel के नहीं होते, तो वो अगर आप उसे कुछ heavy रख लो तो they topple off. So and one more thing that I'm using currently is the stick which you are on, और वो भी मैंने Amazon से ही order किया. So all of these things which I've ordered are quite practical, और घर में कई जगह पे हम use कर सकते हैं, but market में easily available नहीं होती, या फिर हम उस intention से नहीं जाते कि अच्छा ये चीज़ ले सकते हैं. So I think these things are essentials. I want to thank each one of you who have subscribed to the channel, and if you haven't joined the family, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you haven't, so that you know when I'm uploading my video. And leave me suggestions, what video you want to see next, which one of these was your favorite. I'll link everything under. Before you leave, don't forget to keep that beautiful smile on your face. Take care. Love you all.